going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be testing out a couple pocket survival saws. Alright, first one I got was in a battle box. I thought it was pretty cool, and so I ordered another one. So we're going to be testing them out today, kind of see how they do. Alright, we're going to be checking out two saws today. The first one came from Survival Frog. This saw is 36 inches cutting length. Or sorry, the actual cutting surface is 36 inches. And the other one's the one I got in the battle box, and it's actually, the brand is Pocket Chainsaw. It's got a T-handle. The cutting surface on this one is only about 20.5 inches. So there's a little bit of difference between the two. As far as weight, both of these saws clock in just under 6 ounces. I think it was like 5 3/4. And looking at different prices on them, on eBay, Amazon, that kind of stuff, they range anywhere from $10 up to about $30. So, you know, they're pretty affordable. I'm going to see today. Both of these are, I don't know how much this one usually clocks in about 15. This one I got from Survival Frog, like I said, it was about 30, but I found the same version of this saw for, you know, 10, 15 bucks. So, all right, let's get started. I'm going to start with this one, and then we'll do this one and just see how they hold up. So the Survival Frog comes in a little nylon black bag. You can see it's about the size of my hand. Saw's all rolled up in there. Get it on done, show you guys the teeth on it real quick. So that's what the teeth look like, kind of alternating different directions. And then the handles have that little metal bracket there, so that actually seems pretty sturdy. So I'm going to cut off this limb. It's probably about 2 inches, and then I'm going to grab the other saw and do the limb beside it because they're about the same size, and let's just kind of see how they do. So that cut pretty clean. A little bit of break there at the end. You guys could see when that limb fell down, it kind of pinched, so I couldn't pull as fast. I had to kind of drop it back and pull a little bit slower, but that did pretty good. Let's get the other one out, test it, and then we'll move on to something bigger. Okay, this one is the actual Pocket Chainsaw. It comes in this little tin and has these two T-handles. Obviously the T-handles do not fit in the tin, but they may make it a little bit easier to pull. It has these couple little hooks. I'm going to show you guys how to put this one together real quick. I put one of the hooks on just testing it out, and I did figure out that once these little silver hooks are on, it doesn't fit back in the can as good. So see, it's quite a bit shorter than that other one. So to put this on, it has to go in that little loop right there. So what you have to do is kind of push it in almost like a keychain, work it in, and then pop it over. Now, I was trying, and because of the way you have to put that on, once you get it back here, I don't think you can get them back off very easily. So, it seems like once these are on, they stay on. Now we're going to hook the T-handles up. Should just pull through that little eye right there. Kind of pull over like that. There you go. Let's throw this one on and see how it does. lined up. There we go. Back to the 36 inch, we're going to go to something a little bit bigger now, and hardwood instead of that cedar that we did before. There you have it. That was 36 inch on that's probably a, I don't know, 2.5, 3 inch piece of cedar. Not cedar. What is that? Now the 20 inch pocket chainsaw. This one is just not liking me. Too short. Sorry. We're gonna go back to the bigger one. So they both kind of catch when the tree starts to pinch, but the 36 inch definitely does better. Come on, boy. There you have it. 36 inch and the 20.5. I definitely like the 36 inch better. I just felt like it didn't get in a bind as quick. The other thing that I noticed was on this one, it was so short that when I really went to try and go and cut with it, I kept pulling these into the tree and binding up, so I was having to do shorter strokes. It just didn't seem to cut as good, got bound up a little bit more. Something I noticed too is while these were comfortable, these felt like they were a little too small for my hands. I may put a bigger loop on them. These were more comfortable. I didn't feel like I could get as much leverage or pull as hard on them I did notice that this one had started to get a little bit of a split. I didn't feel like I could pull as hard or get as much leverage on it, and the saw is bound up in that position. I'm gonna have to, looks like it's kind of blocked in, so I'm gonna have to go back and kind of tweak on that. All in all though, for the money being the same and the weight being the same, I definitely feel like the 36-inch did better. This is for sure going in my kit. You know, you saw it did get in a little bit of a bind whenever it started to pinch, just like any saw would, so you kind of have to work around that. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this one. This one's not bad if it's what you got, but I definitely like this one better. So thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you got any ideas for videos, something you're looking for and want to see, let me know. If I know anything about it, I'll do a video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this with all your buddies, and I'll get some more stuff coming your way.